Stop scrolling right now, because what you are about to see is going to change the way you look at your backyard forever. This right here is a cheap string light set, the kind you can find at any dollar store or discount shop. And this right here? This is what happens when you apply one simple trick to the exact same lights. Look at that difference. This is not a $500 designer fixture. This is not some expensive imported lighting kit. This is the same cheap lights, transformed using one professional trick that most homeowners have never even heard of. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to take basic, boring string lights and turn them into stunning designer outdoor lighting. The kind you see in luxury patios and high-end restaurant courtyards. Before we start, a quick and important safety note. We are working with electrical lighting, so please make sure you are always using outdoor-rated lights, keeping connections dry, and following the safety tips I share later in this video. Now, watch this entire video from start to finish. Do not skip ahead, because every single step matters, and if you miss even one small detail, your results will not look the same. If you are new here, welcome. I break down home upgrade secrets that big lighting companies do not want you spending 5 minutes to learn for free. So make sure you hit that subscribe button before we begin, because you do not want to miss what is coming next. Let's get into it. So here's the real question. Why do most string lights look cheap in the first place? It's not because the lights themselves are bad, it's because of how they are used. Most people buy a set of string lights, hang them in a straight line, plug them in, and call it done. And that is exactly why it looks flat, boring, and unfinished. Designer lighting is never about a straight line. It's about depth, layering, and intentional placement. Think about it. Have you ever walked into a beautiful outdoor restaurant or a luxury hotel patio and wondered why the lighting felt so warm and expensive? It's not because they used better bulbs. Most of the time, they used the exact same basic string lights you already own. The difference is in the technique. Once you understand this one styling secret, you will never hang string lights the boring way again. And the best part? This costs almost nothing extra. Let's talk about what you actually need for this transformation. First, grab your basic string lights. Any warm white LED string lights will work perfectly for this method. Next, you will need some simple, affordable materials. Thin garden twine or fishing line for tension lines. A few basic hooks or cup hooks. Some inexpensive fabric ribbon or burlap strips for texture, if you want an extra premium look. And optionally, a small string light dimmer or plug-in timer, which you can find very cheap online. That's it. No expensive lanterns, no designer fixtures, no professional electrician required. Everything you need probably costs less than the price of a single fancy patio lantern. Now let's talk about why this trick actually works, because understanding the science makes it so much easier to recreate. Our brains are wired to associate depth and layering with luxury. When light comes from a single flat source, our eyes read it as basic and artificial. But when light comes from multiple heights, multiple angles, and varying distances, our brain instantly interprets that as intentional design. This is the exact same principle interior designers use inside luxury homes. It's called layered lighting. Instead of one flat source, you create several layers. A high layer for overall ambiance, a mid-layer for warmth and depth, and a low layer for accent and drama. Spacing also plays a huge role. Lights that are evenly spaced and slightly loose in their draping create a soft, natural curve. This curve mimics the look of professionally installed cafe lighting, which is a huge part of what makes outdoor spaces feel expensive. And finally, contrast matters. Designer lighting always plays with light against shadow. When you position lights near textures like wood, plants, or fabric, the light bounces and creates a much richer visual effect than lights hanging in open, empty air. Once you understand these three principles, layering, spacing, and contrast, you can transform almost any lighting setup, no matter how cheap it originally was. All right, let's get into the actual transformation. I'm going to walk you through this step by step, so follow closely. Step 1. Start by mapping out your space before hanging a single light. Look at your patio, balcony, or backyard, and decide where you want your eye to be drawn first. This could be a seating area, a table, or a focal wall. Step 2. Install your tension line first. Run your garden twine or fishing line from one anchor point to another, slightly higher than a straight line, allowing a soft, natural sag in the middle. This subtle curve alone instantly upgrades the look before you even add the lights. Step 3. Hang your string lights along the tension line, not directly onto walls or fences. This creates that soft, professional drape you see in high-end outdoor spaces. Step 4. Now this is where the real transformation begins. Instead of using just one string of lights, layer 2 sets at slightly different heights. Place one string higher for ambient light, and a second string slightly lower for a warmer, closer glow. This layering effect is the single biggest reason designer lighting looks so much richer than basic setups. Step 5. Add texture around your light source. Wrap thin ribbon, burlap strips, or even faux greenery loosely around sections of the string lights. This diffuses the light slightly, creating a softer, more elegant glow instead of a harsh, direct bulb look. Step 6. Create varying spacing intentionally. Instead of keeping lights perfectly even, allow small clusters in certain areas, especially near seating or focal points, while keeping other sections slightly more open. This uneven, intentional spacing is exactly what expensive lighting designers use to create visual interest. Step 7. Position your lights near reflective or textured surfaces. If you have a light-colored wall, wooden fence, or hanging plants nearby, angle your lights so the glow bounces off these surfaces. This bounced light effect instantly makes the space feel bigger and more luxurious. Step 8. If you're using a dimmer or plug-in timer, set your lights to a slightly lower brightness setting. Full brightness often looks harsh and cheap. A softer, warmer glow is what creates that expensive, relaxing ambiance you see in high-end spaces. Step 9. Finally, step back and check your layering from multiple angles. Walk around your space and look at the lighting from where guests would actually sit or stand. Adjust any sections that look too flat or too even, adding small tweaks until every angle feels balanced and intentional. And that's it. 9 simple steps and materials that likely cost you less than $15 total. Now, let's talk about the results, because this is where it gets exciting. Picture your space before this trick. Flat, straight lines of string lights. Even spacing. One single layer. It looks fine during the day, but at night, it feels plain and unfinished. Now, picture the after. As the sun sets and you turn these lights on, something completely different happens. The layered heights create depth. The soft curve from your tension line creates a natural, elegant flow. The added texture softens the light into a warm, romantic glow. And the varying spacing draws your eye naturally through the space, just like a professionally designed patio. This is the exact same visual effect you would pay hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars for with custom outdoor lighting installation. And you just created it yourself, using the same cheap string lights you already had. That is the power of understanding layering, spacing, and contrast. It's not about spending more money. It's about using what you have, the smart way. Before we wrap up, let's go over some important safety and maintenance tips, because a beautiful lighting setup should also be a safe one. Always use string lights that are labeled outdoor rated or weatherproof. Indoor-only lights are not designed to handle moisture, and using them outside can create a safety hazard. Keep all plug connections elevated off the ground, and use a drip loop, which means letting the cord dip slightly before it reaches an outlet, so water runs off instead of into the plug. Avoid overloading a single outlet with too many light strands. Stick to the manufacturer's recommended maximum connection limit. For placement, avoid running lights directly against flammable materials like dry leaves or thin fabric for long periods of time. When it comes to long-term maintenance, check your lights every few weeks for any loose connections, exposed wiring, or moisture buildup, especially after rain. And during colder months or storms, it's a good idea to unplug and store your lights safely to extend their lifespan. Following these simple precautions means you get to enjoy your beautiful new designer look safely for a very long time. So there you have it, the exact trick to take cheap, basic string lights and transform them into stunning, designer-looking outdoor lighting. No expensive fixtures, no professional installation, just layering, spacing, and a little bit of styling knowledge that most people never learn. Your patio, balcony, or backyard can look like it belongs in a luxury magazine, all for the price of a few extra dollars in materials. If you enjoyed this transformation, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, because it truly helps this channel grow. Drop a comment below and let me know where you're planning to try this trick first. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because next time I'm going to show you another budget-friendly upgrade that will completely change the way your outdoor space feels. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.